How to install new gradients into Photoshop. Go to the Gradients panel. You can find that in the Window menu and Gradients. With that, go to the right side menu there, click here and down to Import Gradients. With this, select GRD files. You need GRD files. See them here. I'm just going to select a couple. Hold down Shift if you want to select more than one. Click Open. Once you've got that, go to the gradients and then down the bottom there you can see all the new added gradients. Simply select and drag to quickly add the design into Photoshop. If you want to change the properties, go to the Properties panel and modify the properties there. So click here, change the gradient or change the method such as smooth, and then change the type, etc. They're all gradient layers and you can modify the style as well as the angle as well as the scale very quickly. Hope you found this of interest. Any questions about the gradients, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Please subscribe to the channel, always adding new tutorials about Photoshop all the time. Bye.